Alright, football fans manze, tuko ndani ya Icons TV. This is Sports Banter Show with the best representative JB Jones 254. And of course manze, we've been having our various games manze on the weekend. Tumekuwa na Arsenal ikicheza against Southampton, Chelsea was playing against Port Vale, and of course Manchester City was playing against Liverpool. Game ingine ilikuwa noma sana. And of course manze, Liverpool was thrashed, harassed manze, ilikuwa kali tena sana manze. Liverpool was beaten thoroughly with Manchester City 4-0. And of course Chelsea thrashed, harassed manze, vandalized Port Vale 7-0. And of course the Arsenal, and of course manze, Arsenal wanasemaga aje, Arsenal manze walikuwa na a very good chance of getting into the FA semi-finals, but wanasemaga kwa Kiswahili aje ati chungu hupasuka kinapofika wapi, mlangoni. And of course manze, Arsenal manze, walicheza low sana, very low. Imagine they was thrashed by Southampton 2-1, and of course losing the trophy to the FA trophy to semi-finals. And of course that was semi-finals, sorry, to quarter-finals. And of course they're not proceeding to semi-finals, and of course semi-finals it would be Leeds against Chelsea, and of course Southampton will be facing Manchester City after the win that Manchester City had at Etihad against Liverpool. And of course moving on, Arsenal fans and non-Arsenal fans are always rivalries online. And of course manze, wamekuwa manze na vishasha mingi sana. Vishasha ni mingi sana for Arsenal. Vishasha ni mob sana, because they're saying that the fear of trophies is called Arsenalophobia. Why is it called Arsenalophobia? Because let me tell you why. Why? Because Arsenal, the fear of trophies is called Arsenalophobia. This is because Arsenal, every time inafika kwa trophies manze, ina get to just to do very small mistakes, unapata manze ati Arsenal isha lose hiyo kikombe. What is happening to Arsenal manze? What is happening to Arsenal? Arsenal inaweza fika hivi finali lose. Look at Carabao. Look at the last Premier League. It was just about winning the Premier League, and of course it missed out manze. This time also manze inafika quarterfinals, the FA Cup, playing against a very minor team, 7th position in the championship. And of course manze, it ended up Arsenal losing 2-1. And of course it was very sad moment for Arsenal fans, but you can't do anything. They are hoping now for two trophies, that is the Champions League and that is Premier League, English Premier League, that they are battling. The 9 points ahead of Manchester City. And of course they are playing against Sporting. And of course we are waiting for the results today. And of course we are waiting for also the results of the biggest game, that is Bayern Munich and of course Real Madrid, that is coming on with the results that is in the video that is coming after this. Thank you so much manze for viewing at Sports Banter Show with the best representative JB Jones 254. And of course we'll be bringing to you a lot about sports in the Sports Banter Show with the best representative JB Jones 254. And of course manze, itakuwa noma tena konki sana. Football fans, tukutane jo, adios.